Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Adventures with Val. Ever wonder what to do with those candles that just won't melt correctly? Well, I decided to save mine because I knew that I would be making some fire starters. However, I thought that I would be doing them differently, but somehow I came up with the idea because I've always seen stuffing the lint from the dryer inside the toilet rolls. So I was like, you know what? Instead of me doing my normal Vaseline with cotton balls, I decided to do this. So I put the toilet tissue rolls with the lint from the dryer inside a shoebox, and I lined my pan up with wax paper just in case if it would have seeped through, because I don't want a big mess. I just wanted it easy to clean up. So I melted the wax, kind of did like a double brawler type thing, where I put a bowl inside of a frying pan with water, and I just dipped the wax in, by a ladle. Just kept doing it. So instead of me boring you guys with this, I'm gonna stop the video right here, and I'll pick you guys back up a little later in the video. Once you finish adding all your wax to your tubes, you'll set your tubes aside to cool off. I took mine out of the box so I can put them on a cookie sheet so they can just cool down faster, because also I wanted to avoid them sticking together inside the shoebox. So some of the lint started to fall out as I was picking it up, because the wax was still warm. So I went and got a plastic knife to try to scrape some back into the tubes, because it's still warm to the touch. A little bit more warmer than I needed to feel. What a googly mess. That is why I needed that knife. I'm just checking the tubes because there was some excess lint that had fell out of the tubes as I was exchanging their containers. So I was just checking and just refilling the ones that looked like they needed refilling. Once you're done with that, set these bad boys to the side to cool off, and then you can start to fold them in. As you can see here, I did like a 4-figure fold, I would say. I don't know what you call this. So I punched in, folded in each side, and then I folded in the opposite sides, and kind of made like a little tube. I really want to call these like little grenades, but they don't explode, so we're gonna just call them what they are: fire starters. You guys already see what I'm doing. I sped the video up for time's sake purposes, and I'll pick you guys back up in a few seconds. Now that I'm all done folding them, I'm gonna put them in a storage bag. You can probably use a Ziploc bag or a plastic container of some sort, and just put them in a cool place so that they don't melt in this heat. So I had to take one outside and try it, right? And I also wanted you guys to see it. I didn't want to start a fire, but I want you guys to see the longevity of this. And I had to cut so much out of this video from this fire starter burning forever and ever and ever and ever. I went through a couple of cycles where I sped up the video. I slowed the video down. I played it in the regular speed, and this thing was still going. Sped this thing up and it's still going. It has to end. Guys, this fire starter is fail proof. It is going to give you enough time to get your kindling and to get your wood burning. You got to try this. But whatever you do, don't try this part. At this point, I don't know what the hell possessed me to try to stuff this fire out with my cross. Ladies and gentlemen, don't try this at home. Seriously, don't try this. I could have caused some major fire damage, but I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I was just tired of this thing burning. Yeah, I was lucky the ground was wet. What I should have done was taken a pitcher of water out or grab the water hose or to grab my fire extinguisher. Yeah, and it looks like it still has a little bit of life left in it. So I may try to save it and try to start a fire with it whenever time permits. I'll let you guys know how that goes. Thank you for watching Adventures with Val. And as always, keep on trucking till your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure. Oh yeah, and as we say in YouTube land, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.